Hi, how's it going? Alright, so this is me playing my own game. I figured I'd explain a few things about it first. So right now, you can see hiragana creeping its way onto the screen, and it goes no higher than the 5 vowels at the bottom. If you start increasing the level, you'll start seeing more. So we'll see all the way up to ko, then to so, then to, then to no, mo, no wait, ho, then mo, and then there's like just 3 that come after that. And then to finish them off, we got the remaining ones. No, we don't. One more level. There we are. There's the remaining ones. Wa, wa, and And you can see they're all showing up now. And then if I suddenly take that away, then it's only going to be the vowels again. So that's the generation system for it. Now we also have katakana. So when I switch over to that, the one, they all just start changing over to that. So then we can like go all the way up to level 9 again. And if you notice in the background, the stars, not only are they made of kana, but they also switch to the opposite kana. So right now we're doing katakana, and then if I switch to hiragana, now they're all going to switch over to katakana in the background. So for those who know, I mean, for those, you know, you pay attention. Here's like the ones at the bottom that we're going to be seeing in the forefront, and then these are the ones that we will see in the background, except now that they're swapped. Confusing, I know. Anyway, here we go. So I'm going to start this at about level 4. The level doesn't adjust the difficulty of the enemies right now, but I have them in there. And level 4 is when they're both introduced. So another thing I did was I changed the control system. So now there's a sense of inertia around the ship, which makes the I've given it a maximum. See, like it's kind of hovering a bit there because it's going too fast. Oh, and now the enemies just turning up. And so I have this system here. So right now, that's a debug window. It shows me my current level. Well, not my current level, like when I'm going to transition to the next level. Alright, now we got to shoot. These ships kind of stick with you and they don't change velocity when when I speed up. So like everything else speeds up, they don't. So I didn't want you to be able to skip them. So these are kind of like a different kind of hindrance. Alright, these bullets do not shoot directly at you. There is no tracking or anything like that. It is just pure coincidence. They have a cone that they shoot around, and I believe that's 90 degrees being the dead center towards me. It's between 60 and 120. We also have planet generation and special guest generation. Right now I only have the space core and the and a Kerbal. That was the wrong one. Alright, let's get rid of this thing. Oh, out of the way. Now, the laser beam, the big laser beam, that spawns not exactly on your position, but a random number between above 64 pixels and below 64 pixels. Alright, so let's go back down here. We are still 11 of 25. There are 25 different characters to go through before you get introduced anymore, and that exponentially goes higher. Enemy weight, that is a countdown before the enemies start showing up. Right now, I want to stop it from showing both an enemy and the laser at the same time. I think what I would want to do is have the laser be a bit more random. Anyway, I mean, I'm supposed to be shooting Fuck. Right. I do feel like the control... Ah, now I'm on sat. Got it. Now there's not... I mean, like, I'm having my attention grabbed here. And it's actually fun. As before, it was just the Kana. Alright, so now we got to do not. There is a lot to look at. Alright, there's a speed up power on. I have to... That gets you out of the way faster and shit like that, so that's good. Not. Oh, there's... You can actually touch those though, so... I do need an indication of how long the power-ups last for. I mean, like, the laser one, I've got a button that can just do the laser. But that one, that's obvious, because when it starts blinking, then it's going to go out. But the speed-up one, there's not really an indication of when it's applied or not. But anyway, that's my explanation so far. I didn't plan this, I just went ahead and did it while I was playing. So, I probably didn't mention a lot of stuff. Set. Let's get out of the way of the laser. Right now, here are the hitboxes. I did have a plan of a system where the craft were gonna target me, but that didn't really happen. So these are the hitboxes. I'm currently looking for a way of just shrinking them. Right now, they're generated based upon the size of the graphic that they contain. So I do need to shrink them down though, because as you can tell from the giant laser, it's fucking huge. So anyway, that's that. Luckily they don't target me because that would be really awkward. But yeah, so let me know, comments, what do you think? See ya!